night is finally here! And I'm freaking out because I was supposed to make the gifts for my friends. Tinkerbell, what can I do?
Why not ask Miss Merve for help? Lily boom, Lily zoom!
Miss Merve, can you help me make gifts for my friends? Sure, Queen Elsa. Let's make headbands. They're very easy. You can use an image from my blog, or you can draw your own image. Copy onto a piece of foam. And use a piece of wire to make a headband. You can also use a paper clip and put a little bit of glue at each end. Glue on the cutouts and paint using nail polish if desired. You can also use stickers or plastic gems. And that's it. Wanna try them out? Sure I do! My friends will love them. But I think I'll keep this Minnie Mouse one. I really loved it. Thanks so much, Miss Merve. You're welcome. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I got all the gifts and my friends are going to be so happy. Bye-bye.